How to register a system with RedHat Subscription Manager with Ansible. I'm going to show you in a live demo and some simple Ansible code. I'm Luca Berton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are talking about Ansible module RedHat_subscription. The full name is community.general.redhat_subscription, which means that it's part of a collection community.general maintained by the Ansible community. It manages registration and subscription to RHSM using the subscription manager command. This module is specific for RedHat Enterprise Linux. Parameters. Let me summarize the main parameters. The state parameter allows you to specify if you want to add or remove a registration from a target machine. Default is to add. The username and password allows you to specify the access.redhat.com credential, like website, or satellite 6 credential. Once the machine is registered, you need to specify which subscription to consume. The auto-attach allow you to add to auto-consume all the available subscription for the machine, which is what I recommend you. Alternatively, you can specify manually the ID in the pool ID list or a text with all the RedHat product that you want to add into the pool parameter. Another interesting option is the parameter customer_ID to resume a previous registration. Let's jump in a real-life playbook about how to register a system with RedHat Subscription Manager with Ansible. Let's go! Welcome to my editor. I will show you one simple playbook about RedHat Subscription Manager. First of all, let's start one play with a name subscription-manager module demo. Here we are. So let's use targets host all and specify become true because we need a root privilege to execute this action. Let me define two variables. One is subscription underscore username. Here we are. And let me add username, but you can customize with yours, and subscription underscore password to define the password. And here we can put our password. So we have our two variables. Now let's enter in the task section. We have only one task named register with subscription-manager. Here we are. The collection is community.general.redhat_subscription. And now let's add also some parameters. So first of all, the state need to be present because I think we would like to register our system. On the username, we are going to use the value of the variable subscription_username. Here we are. Then password, we are going to use our variable. subscription underscore password, very descriptive, here we are. And then let me assign the pool with auto underscore attach to true. So we have in a few lines one simple playbook that is taking care of the registration into the subscription manager. We need only to provide username and password for the website or your satellite system. So very easy and straightforward. Welcome to my console. First of all, let me connect to my target machine using SSH with my username DevOps, and in my case is demo.example.com. We need root permission, so let me switch with sudo su. Let me cat /etc/redhat-release, and we have RedHat Enterprise Linux 8.4. Is a fresh machine just installed, so the problem that we have is that with DNF install, for example, NFS utils, he is not able to find any packages, but this package is part of the base OS software collection. So let me investigate with subscription-manager status to see the status, and this machine is unknown. Status unknown, system purpose unknown, so is not registered. Let me list the available subscription installed, and as you can see the status is still unknown. Let me list the available --all also. System is not yet registered, so we can do anything. So for example, if someone would like to do subscription-manager refresh to update the list of packages, it's not possible. But we can do manually, doing in the CLI, or better, use our Ansible playbook. So let me exit from user, exit from root, and Ansible-playbook. I'm specifying also with -e my inventory file and the path of the playbook. In a few moments, the execution is started and is going to connect on the target machine, run the subscription-manager command to register to the Red Hat website and download the subscription pool. It's going to take a while, it depends by the speed of your internet connection, but usually it's very fast. So we are expecting one changed status, which means that some action are performed on the target machine, and in our case means that the machine is successfully installed. We can also register the output for any further investigation. Here we are, this is an example. We have a change of status, so the machine seems connected. Let me execute again the same playbook to verify the idempotency of this Ansible module. And in just few seconds, the module is verifying that the machine is already registered and giving us one OK status. So next step will be to connect via SSH using my user DevOps at demoexample.com to show you what kind of action were performed on the target machine. Sudo su, we need the root permission, and I'm going first of all to verify the status of subscription-manager status, and now you can see that there is a change. Content access mode is available, and with subscription manager-list we have all the subscription associated to this machine. still not subscribed, let me list --available --all, and this time we are expecting a long list with all the RedHat product available. In my case will be very long, here we are, but it's not important. It will be different from your side. So now finally we can install our package. Let me just perform a subscription manager refresh to update the data of the machine. Just few seconds connecting, downloading the pool, all data are refreshed. Subscription manager list. Yes, it's still not subscribed, but now with DNF install of my package is performing one subscription update of the repository, and we have all the needed dependency. So you saw how in a few lines of Ansible playbook is able to interact with subscription manager and simplify the registration and how to associate with one pool. And now I'm ready to use this machine for whatever need. Now you know how to register a system with RedHat Subscription Manager with Ansible. If you liked this lesson, give me a thumbs up and see us soon. And have a great day! This video is part of our Ansible automation program. Sign up today on www.ansiblepilot.com for uninterrupted exclusive video and so much fun.